Welcome to Networking in Swift. So, this is a new series that I am starting where we will learn how to make network calls to REST APIs. We will learn a bunch of things here from the basic of networking to intermediate and a little bit of advanced stuff in networking as well. So, some of the things that we will learn is how to make get, post, put, and delete requests. So, as we go through the videos, I will explain what these four things are. I'm basically gonna give you an introduction to this in the first video itself. Then we will learn how to convert the JSON response to Swift structs. So the most of the REST APIs that we will deal with will return response in a JSON structure. So there are other ways as well. There are other formats as well in which we can get the response, but the most common one is JSON. So that is the only one we will focus here. Then we will also learn how to handle networking errors. If the API goes wrong somewhere, if something bad happens to the server, or sometimes if our request is wrong, what will happen and how we will handle it. Then we will also learn how to make chained network requests. Like we will make three network requests, but the second one will be dependent on the first one, and the third one will be dependent on the second one. So we will make chained network requests. We'll make parallel network requests when we will make two requests at the same time. Then we will also learn how to create the API, how to create REST API either using Node.js or C Sharp. I haven't decided on which technology I will use at this point of time, but by the time we will reach a point where we have basic understanding of making network calls, I will also teach you how to create REST APIs. We will also learn how to make authenticated requests. So most of the time in apps like Facebook, Instagram, or any app that you use, any social app you use, there is a user registration. So only you can see your posts, or you can post on your own profile. So those are authenticated requests. You can access certain endpoints which are public, which anyone can access and get the information, but then some are protected. So you need to be logged in to get information from that endpoints. So we will learn how to make authenticated requests. We will also learn how to deal with different types of status responses that we get from the server. So whenever we make a request, we get a status, whether everything went fine or something went wrong. So a code is attached to that status. So we will learn how to handle different statuses for our request. We will also learn the basics of GCD, which is Grand Central Dispatch. It is a wrapper around libdispatch, which is a C multi-threading library. So it's a wrapper written on top of it, and it basically helps us to switch between background tasks and tasks that run on main thread. So we will learn the basics of GCD as well. And then in whole series, as we will be doing different experimentations and will make different kinds of network requests, there are certain parts of the code that we will be writing again and again and again to do very simple trivial tasks. So as we go through the series, I will create these in between small tidbit videos which will teach you how to make those reusable code extensions to certain Swift framework classes or Apple framework classes that you can use in your own projects as well. So this series will go on for several months. It's not a series that I'm gonna upload um, every day. So there will be 1 to 2 videos a week. Mostly it will be one video a week, and it can go up to 6 months or 7 months. I don't know how long it will be. I haven't planned all the video lectures, but I have the basic gist that what I want to teach you. And these are some of the concepts that I wish someone taught me when I was learning iOS development, or when I was learning how to make network requests and learning all about networking. And we won't use any external library. That will be my try, that I don't use any external framework. There are several frameworks like Alamo Fire, Moya, which helps us write less code and make network calls and handle different scenarios. But I will try my best not to use any of those, but use the URL session library, which comes in the Swift Foundation framework. And we will handle all the different scenarios just using that library and the classes that are linked to that class. So I hope you will enjoy this series, and if you have any questions, any comments about my teaching style, and if you want me to explain any topics other than networking in Swift on the side, please let me know in the comments below, or you can message me at hello@simran.app. So I'll write my email here for you, hello@simran.app. So you can email me here about the suggestions about the topics that you want to see on this channel. Thank you very much.